Hello fellas, if this is the first time you're watching a video on this crashed RS500, I would recommend starting video number 1. I'll leave that in the description. The whole thing came about in like January time. There was pictures all over Facebook of a crashed RS500, and I just happened to be down Paul's at the time when Adam from Series 1 Recovery dropped it off.
The thing with him is, when you strict them, they don't look half as bad.
Yeah, once you get all the...
Yeah, let's snap bits off. The bonnet and the wing and the bumpers and that. That's video 1 when it got dropped off, and I've just followed it along from then. I will be going back down. The car's almost finished. I will be going back down when it's done. I'll let the video play, enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow along. Gotta keep your coat on like it's cold. You ready like Paul?
Yep.
Well, I'll check him in for him. Hi fellas, welcome back. Came down Paul's to see the Richards Pure RS500. Looking a bit better now, Paul, just getting it back?
Yeah, I've just got it back from paint last week. So yeah, it's all back, all repaired, all painted. So we just start really now the detail bit of putting it all back together.
It's the build-up process.
That's the best bit really.
Is that your favourite bit?
Yeah, you know, I clean everything, clean brackets and repaint them and just...
New screws and stuff
yeah,
like that.
Exactly, yeah, just make it look as good as you can really.
How long was it in the paint shop? It's been a while.
It has been a while, yeah, but the trouble is I don't rush painters. If you rush them, like anything, you know, if I leave it with him, let him do it in his own time, he does a perfect job for me, he does it right, so... you know, so I'm happy with it. It looks fantastic.
It does look. We'll have a little look, eh? It does look nice.
Obviously, it's just bumper sat on just to transport it, to bring it back, so it didn't get scratched or marked, and bonnet's all just sat on loose. You know, but you can see underside at bonnet's all been done to the same standard.
So obviously a brand new bonnet.
Yeah.
Brand new bumper.
Yeah, brand new bumper, front bonnet landing panel and what have you. All the panels are brand new, genuine Ford. New front section of inner wing put in.
Did you have to jig it?
Yeah, it went on a jig just to make sure, really, to make sure it was out. It was just across about 4 mil.
Is that it?
To be honest, with that amount it was out, you probably would never have noticed. You know, but by pulling it back, everything lines up perfect then.
Just get 100%.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm really happy with it.
Have you got splitters and that like ready to go on and stuff like
everything,
that?
We've got everything here. So it's just a case now of, you know, when I get 5 minutes, I'm going to put it on that ramp when that car comes off. So by end of this week, it'll be on that ramp because there's back axle to change because that got damaged. So that's got to come off. You won't see it.
No?
You can't see the damage. It's just very slight when it knocked the back wheel. It's just tilted back wheel. You can see the back wheels in slightly. I don't know whether you'll notice it on camera really.
I see it in a little bit.
Yeah, it's just slightly sat facing in at the bottom is the wheel. You can just see it's been knocked as it got knocked against curb when it swung around.
It hasn't damaged the wheel. It's the same wheel. Look,
yeah, it is. It has slightly marked it, not much, but wheels are getting refurbished anyway as part of repair. So we'll get all 4 of them done. You know, we're not just going to get one done.
Because there was a bit of damage on the back quarter as well, wasn't there?
Yeah, it was damaged on the rear quarter here and the back panel. So that's all new. That's all been done.
New rear bumper in that?
No rear bumper. Luckily, it got hit quite high. It did scuff all the bumper.
Right.
But we've repaired the bumper. That's the original one. So it's come out well. We're really pleased with it.
Look forward to seeing it built up.
The thing we're black as well is there's no hiding we're black.
No.
You know, when you repair them or do any repairs, they have to be absolutely perfect. And Dibsy at Cartech, who's done the paintwork for us, he's machine polished the whole car. Because obviously, it was well looked after by Richard, but black cars, you know, when they've not been detailed, and you paint one side and front end and then the rest of it looks horrible, so the whole car's been machine polished to bring it up so it all matches the fresh new paint.
Nice and shiny.
Yeah,
good job. My car's not black like, because mine is just full of swirls and...
Although it's my favourite colour is black, but it's just a nightmare.
Hard work.
Yeah, it is. They're not bad to keep clean, it's just getting rid of swirl marks and that, like you say. So this, like I say, has been fully polished to make it perfect.
So how long do you think before Richard gets it back? A month maybe?
Yeah, hopefully maybe, you know, before weather turns too bad. He'll definitely have it before Christmas, definitely. He was originally going to come and drive it back.
Was he?
Yeah, but because it's taken a bit longer than we hoped, you know, we're getting it in paint shop and what have you.
How far does he live from yours then? Like a couple hours?
No, it's about 4.5 hours.
Kind of driving it.
Yeah, it's a fair bit. So it's up to him if he wants to drive it.
It's his car.
It's absolutely fine. But if he doesn't, we can take it in covered trailer for him. Because obviously when it's all shiny like that and looking that mint, you don't really want to be driving it in December, do you?
Especially after what happened last time he took it out. On icy roads as well. It could be in December, couldn't it?
Yeah, so it's not worth the risk, really, is it? I think he'll probably want it delivering, to be fair.
Have a look inside, Paul.
Yeah, open the door. Obviously it's still to build up inside, all in back and what have you.
Side skirts and that there.
Yeah, the bits all over for it.
It's a nice original car inside, like, isn't it?
It
A
is,
nice clean car.
Yeah, it is. To be fair, I think he'll be really happy with it when he gets it back because it was a nice car. It is a nice car.
It is a nice car.
I think the difference when it's finished and all built up and you look before and after pictures, ignoring the damage, just now it's all polished, it looks completely different. It looks a lot nicer. And with obviously a new pinstripe on it. And
it makes a difference, a pinstripe.
Yeah, because we got the proper ones to go back on, the correct colour ones. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing it done, to be fair.
I am. That's it, fellas. Thanks for watching. I'll leave some links to Paul's Facebook pages. We've seen you've got two, Paul?
I've got two. The one that is designated just to the 500s, which is RS500 owners, and then I've got my own to do with all the race cars and that we do, which is just Paul Linfoot Racing.
Both Facebook pages?
Yeah.
I'll leave those links below, fellas. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Spot, mate.